Hey guys, CJ of Bduget Tech, and are you looking for the latest budget smartphones but don't know where to start? Well, you're in luck. Because in this video, we've got the latest budget smartphones released in the Philippines during the third quarter of 2023, all priced under 7,000 pesos. Let's get started. Quick disclaimer, this list comprises the official smartphone releases in the Philippines during the third quarter of 2023. Prices may change without prior notice. And without further ado, we're gonna start this list off with the Honor X5 Plus. It features a 6.56-inch TFT LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate, a MediaTek Helio G36 chipset, 4 gigs of RAM, and 64 gigs of expandable storage, which can then be upgraded with a 1TB micro SD card. At the back, you get a dual rear camera setup with 50-megapixel main lens and a depth sensor. The battery is rated at 5,200 mAh. The Honor X5 Plus is priced at 5,490 pesos for the 4GB plus 64GB combo, and 6,990 pesos for the 4GB plus 128GB variant. The other phone from our list comes from Honor once again, and that's the X6A. The Honor X6A sports a 6.56-inch TFT LCD display that has a 90Hz refresh rate. It's powered by a MediaTek Helio G36 chip with 4 gigs of extended RAM and 128 GB of expanded storage. It boasts a triple rear camera setup consisting of 50-megapixel main camera, 2-megapixel macro lens, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor, while the front is a 5-megapixel selfie camera. The Honor XA is currently priced at 6,990 pesos. Well, that's it for this list. If you had to choose between these two devices, which one would it be? Let us know in the comments below. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any future uploads. Also, don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or X now, and TikTok, and visit bdugettech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Again, I'm CJ, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!